Alright, what's up guys? कैसे हो? Eleanor, hope everyone's doing great. This is the first time I'm gonna ride in style. I'm gonna wear the Levi's denim jacket. Reason for that is I'm gonna ride the classic. I'm gonna take the street and go for this ride. I'm so excited about this. All my life, all my riding life, I've been riding the Adventure Tour of the Tiger, which is an amazing bike, no doubt. But then we are humans. We need change. Let's get into something smaller, cuter. एक छोटा सा cute सा street twin. Nice, beautiful sky outside. Clear skies. Super blue, like bluest of the blue skies. Also, I forgot to tell you where are we going. We are going to Gandikota. This is the place we've been before. If you've seen like 2018 before Ladakh, me, Charan, Aditya and Sujan, we did this trip. And that time I did it on the Tiger, this time on the street pin. But I think we're not going to do it directly to Gandikota. Problem is, Gandikota maybe we don't have proper stay. So we're going to stop at Kurnool, which is maybe again 200 kilometers from here. Pretty straight, amazing roads. 4-lane highway. I'll be showing you all that. This is the first time I'm going for just one night. I'm not taking anything, but then as Shriman is on a diet, I have to follow my strict diet all the time. So the thing is, funnily, there are more supplements and my food and all that more than my clothes. Just one t-shirt and one shorts for the night. Electronics, chargers, my supplements, my protein powder, oats and all that. And talking about supplements, I use a lot of multivitamins and all that. Definitely recommended because, you know, the way of life we have, the kind of food we eat, we don't get in proper nutrition in it. For example, omega-3. This is something very, very important. Trust me, it solves a lot of problems. It has worked for me. I had an issue with the Tiger starting when I was about to fall. I tried to stop it with my right leg. So my right foot took a lot of stress and then I started getting this weird pain. Almost for 2 years, I started taking omega-3. It doesn't just go away like a magic. You have to keep taking this for at least 6 months. Only then you can see the effects. This joint pain is gone. Like I couldn't squat like this, dude. Look at me now. Absolutely fine. I mean, omega-3 is not just good for your joints, it is good for your hair, it's good for your skin. Apart from it, it also helps with depression and anxiety. I'll be putting some links in the description for Enveda omega-3 fish oil. And if you're someone like me who works out properly, if you're looking for some quality muscle mass, muscle growth, see, usually muscle growth happens when you put a lot of stress on it. But then if you just put stress on it, it doesn't grow. You have to give it proper recovery time. For all this recovery and growth to happen, you have to supplement it with the right things. Omega-3 helps here as well. I think I got this Enveda omega-3 for, I think 330 rupees including shipping on Amazon. So that is one more thing. And what else did I put? I think I'm not going to take my laptop this time. I'll leave the laptop here because tomorrow by this time we'll be starting back. I don't think I'll be needing all that. Let's think about it. That's it, and this is my luggage. This is the first time I'm gonna carry like just one backpack. Actually, I used to do this before on the Benelli, you know. That time I did not have any idea about how to carry luggage and all. अभी तो थोड़ा pro हो गया. Even for 1 week, one backpack was more than enough. But now I carry like literally 2 pairs of shoes, 1 extra pair of gloves, laptop, extra that, extra this. पूरा मिला के I need proper left panel, right panel, top box, tank bag, sometimes even a backpack. Yeah. Very excited to ride this street twin. चलो अभी सीधा. I'll see you on the GoPro mode. Okay. Actually feels so nice and small. So simple to sit on this bike, dude. Feels so different. I know I'm hyping it too much, but actually this is what I'm feeling right now. It's so different because usually we walk like this and we sit on this beast. Baby, you take some rest. Sorry, not baby. Beast, you take some rest. I'll come back and see you and take you for a bigger ride, longer ride. I'll put all the boxes on you. And end of this month we're planning that big trip. For now, ये छोटू mobile का bike. It is not a mobile bike, dude. It is a freaking 900cc engine down there. And I've already mentioned that this is as heavy as that bike. You know that? 200 kgs. In fact, this is 1 kg heavier than the Tiger. It's just that the way it is made, the frame and all, for being an adventure tourer and more comfortable, it is like that. And Seltos, I'll miss you. I'll come back. Summer, I'll take you and go for a long drive. Okay, first thing I'll have to do is put some fuel. Low fuel indication is up. 74 kilometers range. Yo, this is one good thing. I get range in this. Tiger mein, okay, I'll not talk about it, but it doesn't show me range properly. It shows me only when it's almost about to get empty and then disappears again. Okay, for now talking about the riding gear, I'm just wearing my Rhinox gloves. I'm wearing Orazo boots and Levi's riding pants with climb armor in it, and Levi's riding jacket with, once again, I think climb armor. No, I think Rhinox armor. And just be careful with bumps, Shriman. Except that, I know I'll be repeating this a lot, like a crazy lot in this ride. Please bear with me, okay? I'm gonna just share whatever I feel on the road with this bike. Oh yes, we have the kick horn. But at least we got a horn. Luckily the backpack is resting properly on the rear seat, so I'm not taking any stress on my shoulders. Little bit hora, but I think I can loosen up the straps of the bag and it should be fine. For now though, first 3-4 kilometers it looks fine, it's comfortable. And oh yeah, I forgot to see how far is Kurnool here today. I know it is approximately 180-190 kilometers. I'm gonna meet Edwin first at a meeting point near Begumpet, and from there both of us will go and meet the rest of the gang. I think there are another 4 riders apart from 2 of us, total 6 riders. All these 4 will meet somewhere near the airport road. Yeah, we're gonna take once again the Bengaluru highway, NH44. And oh man, it is hot. It is hot AF. I don't know what is the temperature right now, but definitely with, luckily this time we're not wearing like heavy riding gear. This is all aram se lightweight riding gear, except for the boots. Everything is proper mesh. Outside air temperature, does this bike show outside air temperature? Not sure. I don't even know what options does this show, and the bike is not yet finished 1000 kilometers dude. Wait, one second. No, this doesn't show air temperature. Seriously? Okay, no issues. 964 kilometers done on the bike. So today we're gonna touch 1000 kilometers on the bike finally after 4 months. Oh. Okay, we have full tank now. I don't know how much, 690 rupees, but I'm not sure what is the fuel capacity. As per the instruction manual, I think it is 12 liters. Oh yes man, I forgot about this now. I'll be the only one who will be refueling a lot of times, because my capacity is gonna be less compared to the rest of the adventure tourists today. There's a beastie 1250 GS, 2850 GS. Hey, no, we have one classic. We have Prana's bike, Speed Twin. Oh, we have company, no problem. And oh yes, we can rip the bike a little bit. And there is a lot of power in it, man. I did not rip this bike like this much before. I used to be very gentle on the throttle. Now also I'm gentle, but I'm not treating it like a monk. पहले meditation जैसा चलाता था ये गाड़ी को, अभी तो full थोड़ा ऐसा push कर रहा. And I can feel that nice, beautiful torque. Let me switch on the mesh. If Edwin is here around, we can hear him. Hello. Edwin, copy Edwin. I think this dude did not switch on his mesh. I see the KTM ADV. Yo, I'm pretty sure he's waiting for the Tiger. Hey, on there. Oh, what's up, bro? Were you searching for the dark horse? Hey, chala tall unnora. First floor lo unnu entra nu. Nanni tire kinda kanipistundi. Oh yes, right now we are in like proper craziest. అసలు దీన్ని ఎట్లా డిఫైన్ కూడా చేయాలో తెలియదు. క్రేజియస్ట్ కాదురా ఇది, ఇంకేమన్నా అనాలి దీన్ని. ఇగో ఇది ఇట్లుంటారు. అది ఏం పోయింది తెలుసా, 2 lanes ఒక హాఫ్ సెకండ్లో 3-4 lanes దాటేసిండు అట్లా. ఓ మై రేంజ్ ఇస్ షోయింగ్ 202 kilometers, బట్ డెఫినెట్లీ వీల్ హ్యావ్ టు స్టాప్ ఫర్ అ ఫ్యూయల్ బ్రేక్. మంది చిన్ని టైం కదరా. ఫస్ట్ మీటింగ్ పాయింట్ నేను సెకండ్ మీటింగ్ పాయింట్, యాక్చువల్లీ ద అదర్స్ ఆర్ స్టిల్ yet to come. Edwin, good job, came on time first time. And his butt is already aching it since. What, Edwin? అప్పుడే అట్లా ఇంకా చాలా పోయేది ఉంది మనం. I know it is a little bit hard seat. मेरा भी सेम परिस्थिति है. Little bit it is aching. I think I think that is to do with we are not doing rides much these days. So I think because of that, once we get used to it, I think this ride will be like a warm-up session for our big ride. By the way, this guy is not coming for that big ride because of future big plans. Hey, what's up, bro? Cheti ilenu. Hey, full tank. Na full tank equal to nivi half tank. Telsa? So the ride has officially started. We are on the proper NH44. We are like 50 kilometers away from the city from my house. We might be stopping for one fuel break now. I don't need fuel, but Sriman, today we don't have clear water lights. Once the sun goes down, you're gonna have some fun. It's gonna get difficult to see and have that much of confidence like you might have on a dark horse. But oh yeah, it is nice. Like the torque on this bike, and that is the selling point on this bike. You can have fun. Sweet spot, I think 110, 120 kilometers an hour for this bike. You get like amazing mileage as well. For now, it's showing 208 kilometers range. And one more thing, I don't have my phone mount, so anyways, I'm not using phone mounts these days because I heard phone mount might, I'm not sure about this, but it might damage your image stabilizer. It's better to put it inside a pouch in case you need navigation. Elephant race going on. And oh yes, this is the first time we started a ride at this hour. Like literally from home. Time is, it's my time, I need to set time. It's my time bhi dikhata hai, but I did not set it. And one more thing, you can't go like super speeds on this like the Tiger. The reason being there's no windscreen, as you can see, it's all open, and that's gonna give me a hell lot of wind blast. So I think sweet spot, let's maintain 100, 110 kilometers an hour so that I don't get tired. Now I understand the problems of a classic rider. Full on enjoy किया adventure touring में, पूरा बड़ा windshield लगा के. But now let's experience this as well. I'm not having any problem. I'm enjoying it, no doubts. Oh yes, Tiger में तो पक्का I would feel bored because I was looking at the same dash, same 4-lane, 6-lane highway. And that to NH44 we did like a million times, dude. Nice, I'm having fun here. Max by 10 o'clock we should reach the place, Kurnool. Yeah, just 155 kilometers. Chichi, 186 kilometers only. 3 hours 15 minutes only. What is that cheap, dude? Just 3 hours 13 minutes. 186 kilometers. పోయేసి వద్దామా ఇవాళ? అన్నా కాడా అక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు సేమ్. నా బండేది ఏ ఆగో అక్కడ ఉంది. ఏమన్నా కథలు పడుతున్నావా? దాక్కు చిన్న క్యూట్గా మొబైల్ ఫోన్ అంత ఉంది. ఏ వద్దు, వచ్చేటోటి కావాలంటే వెళ్ళి తుడుచుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఇసుక పడుతుంది దాని మీద, పొల్యూషన్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ దెన్ విల్ గెట్ డార్క్ హియర్. నువ్వు ఇట్లనే చేస్తావు అనుకుంటారా, అందుకే నేను అన్నీ వచ్చేస్తుంటాయి. ఓ In case you people are thinking Chaitanya is wasting fuel, no, he is not. Reason is he is conserving battery. If he switches it off, it might not turn on again. He had to recharge his battery. You also same? What, Pranav? మీ బ్యాచ్ అంతా ఏం బ్యాటరీలు కొనుక్కోండి రా ఒకటి. నో బ్యాటరీ బాయ్స్ రా.
Please keep in mind this is not adventure riding.
1 hour 28 minutes, 84 kilometers left. Okay, we reached a food pyramid. Are we eating anything?
But first we're demonstrating.
Okay, pehle we need to demonstrate something. Okay, so we have a contest here. Whose helmet has the highest amount of bugs? Charan, you can get out.
Comment below and
This is the difference between this is the difference between having an adventure tourer with a huge windshield like this. See, clean. ఇంట్లో నుంచి ఇప్పుడే తీసుకొచ్చాడు బయటకు పాలిష్ చేసి మరి. అండ్ హూ ఇస్ ద విన్నర్? ఐ am the winner. I'll show you. Wait. This is whose? Oh, KTM. దీనిలో చాలా ఎక్కువ కనిపిస్తుంది.
అవునా?
Okay, that is Edwin. This is the street speed twin.
Full tucklo.
At least you have showed us a windshield.
Anything on the windshield.
This is how it is. I'm the winner for sure. Neither. Are you're cleaning?
First start with your jacket.
Look, fantastic. No marks.
This fellow cleaned already. But anyways, I think I'll give you rank 3. Rank 1 is belonging to Sriman Kotharu. I'll just show you. అరే చూడు నాన్న.
పెద్ద వయసులో ఉంటే ఎక్కువ బగ్స్
అరే
పడతాయి.
కాదురా ఈడు ఎక్కువ ఉంది ఎవరు స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ
నువ్వు
ఉంది.
థర్డ్ కూడా కాదురా.
Nowhere close.
I thought I was more, but I'm not able to see anything.
నాకు కూడా ఏం కనిపించలేదు.
Okay, rank 4. Actually, Edwin का ज़्यादा है सबसे. Okay, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. नीरज?
ఫస్ట్ ఉంటాం.
Hey, by the way, we got new helmet. हमारा उत्तराखंड brothers है.
అక్కడ ఒకటి ఉందిరా.
పర్లేదు, మేనేజబుల్.
మ్యారినేట్స్.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక పని చేద్దామా శివ?
బండి చేంజ్ చేద్దాం.
ఆగా శివ ఇట్రా టాస్ వేద్దామా?
ఇందాక నుంచి అదే అంటున్నా.
వీడి మొక్క మాడిపోయింది చూడు అప్పుడే. టాస్ వేద్దామా అనగానే నేను ఇంటికి వెళ్తా.
హైదరాబాద్లో మీకు హ్యాపీనెస్ ఉండదు అనుకుంటారా? ఎప్పుడు బయట ఉన్నప్పుడు బయట ఉండదు.
టాస్ ఏ చూద్దాం.
ఎటు వెళ్దాం? అరే మళ్ళీ ఉత్తరాఖండ్
పైకి కొడదాం మళ్ళీ.
ఇంకెవరికైనా కావాలా?
నాకు ఫుల్ కావాలి. ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది?
నీది గోప్రో కూడా కావాలరా?
గోప్రో కూడా కావాలి.
అరే అదేంది?
తినిందిరా కాసేపు కొట్టు, చాలా టైం పడుతుంది బాగా. చలో లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ చాయ్, సమ్ వాటర్ అండ్ ఐ థింక్ 2 hours max we should be there. Okay, definitely if you want to tour on the street twin, I don't think I can take this for like North India trips and all that because I am used to a lot of comfort on an adventure tour and I'm definitely finding it a little bit difficult, no doubts about that. Especially the seating posture. Seat feels a little bit hard, feels a little bit inclined towards the front. Obviously it's a street bike, but engine is really a gem, dude. And apart from that, one more thing I'm really experiencing, like very evidently, is wind blast, like crazy wind blast. హలో వినిపించట్లేదు, ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండు. ఏమంటున్నారు? కార్ కీసా? సెల్టోస్ వా? అయ్యా నా దగ్గరే ఉన్నట్టున్నాయి, వేరే డూప్లికేట్ తీసుకోండి. ఓకే. జస్ట్ నౌ డాడ్ కాల్డ్ and I realized that Seltos ka keys are in my pocket. But I think somehow I feel solo rides will be fun on this bike because now I have to keep up with the adventure tourers. It's where the lights been here. Can you see the lights? It's like a candle light inside. So that is not a major concern. You can put auxiliary lights. But yes, if you're doing solo rides, aram se better. Just cruise around 120, 130. Yeah, up to 120, 130, no problem. No wind blast. I mean, it is there, but you can handle it. Chalo. Kurnool is another 70 kilometers from this point exactly. We should reach in the next 1 hour max. Road is like this till Kurnool. రూమ్ చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. ఇట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ హ్యూజ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ రూమ్ ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్ రీసెంట్ టైమ్స్.
From Chaitanya's place at 4-5 hours.
He started on time. Chaitanya and Shiva. Actually, Shiva is the culprit this time. He went back home after coming to the meeting point. He came to the meeting point, then went back home again to that avatar, 24 floors up. From my house, I literally started at 3:30. I was on the bike literally till now. My butt is aching for sure now.
Hey, how is the street wind ride?
Credit to you, dude. How
It's
did you
okay.
do all India rides on a street wind? Oh my god.
Alright, it's okay.
You get used to it, you know.
Yeah,
After
if you
taking
do-
the break,
if you
it
do-
was much better.
If you do 3-4 rides, you'll
I
get
think,
used to it.
true. Because after taking that break at Pyramid, I felt much better.
Now you
Saddle was settling down
could
nicely.
have actually gone till Anantapur also.
Yeah. Then Anantapur may one more break and then we can do till
The
Bangalore.
only time you get irritated is when you want to go a little high speed. Otherwise,
Oh my god. The wind blast is next level. Till 120 it's fine. Now I understand why Charan used to say I'll come only in 130. 130, 140 say, oh my god, you'll become like this.
but amazing
shape.
to overtake.
Oh, torque is, nice it is. Nice enti, next level undi. That is one room and we have 2 more rooms. 1, 3, 6. Not this one. I think this is the one. Oh yes, this is the one. వీళ్ళు అప్పుడే బట్టలు కూడా ఇప్పేసారు.
అరే మేము ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ రైడర్స్ రా మీలాగా లీవైజ్ వేసుకొని
We need the shots, bro. We need the shots. You know, when you're on the camera, you need to be like a host.
రైడర్స్ కి క్లాసిక్ రైడర్స్ డిఫరెన్స్
See, classic riders looks classy. No. Hey, how do you like the room?
బెటర్ దెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్.
No, it's better than expected.
చాలా
అంటే మేము ఇట్లా ఏం చెప్పొచ్చాము.
Trivena claps in. Good job. Actually, this room is better. It smells nicer. Our room is thoda tera
అది
lagta.
మా స్మెల్ రా అందుకని
Hey, milk bottle jagrata. Shiva is back. He's not dieting anymore. He's back in form. And by the way, this is the first ride. Pranavka, how did you like it?
ఎక్సెప్ట్ మై సీట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాజ్ నైస్ బ్రో.
On that one, the classic.
లైట్స్
కెమెరా పడ్డది అనుకోలేదు నేను. హార్ట్ ఇట్లా ఒక గుండె జాగింది. ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ ద లైట్స్ అండ్ ద సీట్. Rest all was
No issues. As long as I take breaks every 2 hours or so, it's okay. Last 10 kilometers ఉన్నాయి కదా.
Oh yes, we are not equipped properly. You need auxiliary lights. You
Windshield.
need
Something to
you
stop
need
it.
windshield. Yes, but you can't help it. You'll not get a windshield for a street twin or a speed twin. ఇంత ఉంటుంది దాని windshield.
ఏ పండు.
Microscopic. Chaitanya, how did you feel in this ride? A very sweet, cute,
Ride,
chota sa ride, but
రైడా
we are just warming up.
ఫుడ్ పిరమిడ్ లో చికెన్ 65 తిన్నాం రా మనం అది ఎప్పుడు తిన్నామా
నేను తినలే అలా చెప్పకు ప్లీజ్. మా ఇద్దరం చెప్పుకోకూడదు. Take two. How was the ride?
Yeah, it's good man. That protein shake at Food Pyramid. We never had it
Orange
before.
and oats was nice. By the way, what is the peanut butter you got? దొరికిపోతాం రైట్ మాట్లాడితే.
Peanut protein.
Same pant. Matching boots भी same है.
ఇప్పుడే ఇచ్చిన I removed the
నేను అప్పుడే బట్టలు ఇప్పేసి అడిడాస్. Hey, I also got new Adidas చెప్పులు. Oh yeah, this is only the room. How's your ride? How did you enjoy? Oh, he was feeling a lot of buttock.
Yeah, because of that seat, you know.
His
KTM seats are
like
horrible.
స్కూల్ బెంచ్ లా గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది.
చాలా గట్టిగా ఉండే.
But your riding posture is nice, no? 90 degrees.
Exactly. Handle bar.
One thing is you are not used to rides.
Exactly. It's been long na. After Pune అనుకుంటా.
Hey, Uttarakhand brother.
What's up?
ఏంటి ఫ్యాన్?
కదా
హౌస్ ద రైడ్? నేను ఎందుకు అడగాలి చెప్పు రైడ్ గురించి.
అరే
జస్ట్
బాగుండేరా.
సెకండ్ గేర్ వచ్చేసి ఉంటావు నువ్వు ఇంటి నుంచి. గేర్లు మార్చావు అసలు.
ఇల్లు నుంచి ఇల్లుకి వచ్చినారా?
ఓ బై ద వే కర్నూల్ ఇస్ యువర్ నేటివ్ రైట్? దిస్ ఇస్ హిస్ హోమ్ టౌన్.
హోమ్ టౌన్కి వచ్చి హోటల్లో ఉంటున్నాం రా.
నేను హైదరాబాద్లో హోటల్లో ఉన్నారు చాలా సార్ మొన్నే ఉన్నా బర్త్డేకి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్లాన్ నౌ? కర్నూల్ వీ హ్యావ్ అ గైడ్ హియర్. హిస్ హోమ్ టౌన్ ఇస్ కర్నూల్ సో ఇస్ గోనా టేక్ us అరౌండ్.
మామూలుగా కాదు.
ఒకటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ తిండి ఎక్కువ. వీ హ్యావ్ లైక్ అప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేసాడు.
ఇది ఒక కుండ
కుండ బిర్యానీ, మైసూర్ బోండా. వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ ఫేమస్ హియర్?
నన్నారి.
నా
నన్నారి అంటే
నన్నారి. నన్నారి.
ఏంటి?
వాట్ ఇస్ దట్?
ఆర్గానిక్ డ్రింక్.
Does it have sugar?
Without sugar. Made of roots.
Natural sugar. Then I think we can have it. Let's go get fresh. I'll come back.
ఇంకా పాలకోవా.
ఇంకా పాలకోవా అంట అది కొంచెం మనకి సెట్ కాదులేరా.
ఎపిక్ ఉంటుందిరా, ఎపిక్.
ఎపిక్, ఎపిక్,
పాలకోవా,
ఎపిక్.
మైసూర్ బోండా కోవా.
బన్ కోవా.
ఓ
బన్ కోవా. దిస్ సౌండ్స్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్.
ఎక్సలెంట్ ఉంటుంది.
అన్ని కొంచెం కొంచెం తినబెడదాం రా. నీకేంలే నువ్వు జిగ్లీ ఫెలో. నువ్వు కూడా డైట్ మానేసావా నిన్న?
కంట్రోల్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అట్లాంటివి ఉండవు. డైట్ మానేలే బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కంట్రోల్.
You're maintaining your weight this. So you're gonna be like this.
హ్యాపీ.
Okay, we have the camera, no problem. Okay, we're trying to play a small game here. We're trying to put that bottle in that trash.
Cricketer Shiva.
And please accept that I was successful at that. What?
బాగుందిరా
Too much rice. Camera nahi tha. Seriously, dude. Hey, you got it.
She was the first guy to get it in.
అరే అన్యాయం రా ఇది అన్యాయం రా. I did it, dude. వీడికి మాత్రం రాట్లే. ఓకే కెమెరా ముందు రాదు, చచ్చినా రాదు. అరే
Without seeing.
నువ్వు చూసి వేస్తలేవు. He's on his phone. He's on his phone. He's on his phone. నా ముందు ఇట్లా బొబ్బట్లు పెట్టారు. అక్కడ పాటలు ప్లే అవుతున్నాయి.
అరే అదేంట్రా 10 పెట్టాను కదరా నీ ముందు.
వీటికి మాత్రం తక్కువ లేదురా, వీటికి మాత్రం తక్కువ లేదు. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్. వేర్ ఇస్ గండికోట, వేర్ ఇస్ గండికోట. పాలు ఒకటి మళ్ళీ. ఇది శివారా, పాలు అంటే దీంట్లో నంచుకొని తినారంట.
అరే యాక్చువల్లీ ఎడ్విన్ గారు చెప్పిండ్రా గండికోట పోదామని, నేనే కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను.
ఇవాళ దరిద్రంగా బ్లాగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది అనమాట. వాట్సాప్ గైస్, కేసే హో, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? హోప్ ఎవరీవన్ ఇస్ డూయింగ్ గ్రేట్. ఫైనలీ వీ ఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ గండికోట. రీజన్ బీయింగ్ we have to go back. So the thing is, Edwin has some important work at home. He said he has to be home by evening today, and if we go to Gandikota we can't come back by evening. So he said he'll go back alone, but then we were like, if we go back we'll all go together. So flop. I mean, I'm okay. I have seen Gandikota. Charan has also seen Gandikota. Shiva, did you see Gandikota before? Okay, we'll come back again, Shiva, don't worry. Next week we can come actually. Next week nahi, uske baad hamara bada trip hai. Maybe March summer trip. We'll come in the car once. Oh, by the way, we have, what are this called? Bobbatlu and you
Bakshalu.
Bakshalu.
ikkada bakshalu anta.
Are amazing. Okay, look at this. One full box. 75 Bobbatlu we have. And last night said that's what we were doing. Sitting and eating Bobbatlu. But man, these are amazing. Who gave you these?
తెలిసిన ఒక చెఫ్ ఉన్నాడు.
Oh.
I used to get it from him always since my childhood.
Nice. He was talking about these since last night, yesterday morning actually. We thought he's giving too much of hype. Then last night someone came and delivered it here. We tasted it. Oh my god. Next level. It's so good that I'm taking one and going home. Chalo, ho gaya. We're going back home now. Plan is to just get ready and eat some bobbatlu. No, I'm not going to eat. Actually, again thoda sa cheating ho gaya. And just pack and go back home. So main reason is for Edwin, we are going back. Hey, here is my bobbatlu. We are all taking one pack each. Okay, getting out of Kurnool right now. Pura plan flop ho gaya, but that's okay. Some personal work Edwin got and he has to urgently attend that. Otherwise obviously we wouldn't go back like this. Literally coming almost close to Gandikota. Anyways, ek acha sa dinner and breakfast side ho gaya. Chalo, at least I took this treatment out. I'm happy. Let's go back home now. Hardly 2.5-3 hours max.